To solve the above tangency problem, you have to first draw the layout this way. As you can see, the distance between the center of these two cycles is 15 mm, and the radius of this cycle is 25 mm, and the radius of this cycle is 12 mm. I will start by drawing the lower tangential arc. First, you are to place your compass at the center of the large cycle, then cut an arc of radius 55 mm. This is because 80 minus 25 is equal to 55. Now you are to place your compass at the center of the smaller cycle. Then you are to cut an arc of radius 68 mm. This is because 80 minus 12 is equal to 68. This arc should intersect the previous arc. Now place your compass at this point where the tangential arc intersects. With radius 80 mm, produce the tangential arc. Now, to produce the upper tangential arc, place your compass at the center of the larger cycle, then cut an arc of radius 65 mm. This is because 40 plus 25 is equal to 65. Now place your compass at the center of the smaller cycle, then cut an arc of radius 52 mm. This is because 40 plus 12 is equal to 52. Now place your compass at the point where the arcs intersect. With a radius of 40 mm, produce the upper tangential arc. Make bold the part of the cycle that is supposed to be bold. Indicate the radius of the tangential arcs. The above tangency problem have been drawn successfully. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you're having challenge with any of your engineering drawing or technical drawing assignments, you can send the question to the WhatsApp number displayed. I will solve the questions and send a video of the solution to you. It's completely free, it will not cost you a dime.